Today was an innovation day that we held for Whirlpool. Part of what they were looking for is to focus on kind of three key areas. One, how can they adopt new philosophies and mindsets around behavioral change internally within their organization? The second one was how can they understand the latest emerging technology and what's happening in the marketplace and how to adopt those technologies within their product lines. The third thing really is around execution, right? So how do you take an innovation framework and be able to introduce it internally at their company? We introduced an innovation framework that helped them move with greater speed and greater efficiency.
People have done a decent job of sort of thinking about the pace of change, and for a long time you made your predictions about what was going to happen in the future by extrapolating what happened in the past. And while we were living in linear times, that worked pretty well. The problem now is that we're not living in linear times, we're living in exponential times, and therefore we don't really know the future of the future, what that's going to look like.
For us at Whirlpool, having the right level of innovation in our products is critical for us to be competitive. And so we had the whole team together today, and we used the team from EX3 Labs to really help stimulate the juices for us, get us warmed up, get us focused in the zone to help understand what we need to do to create the innovation that we need.
We want to bring a return to our shareholders, so it was really about how do we as a cooking team get our act together globally so we can be much better equipped to move faster in this innovation space.
Cooking is definitely one space where we want to be innovative and fast and responsive to the market. So we gather all the global cross-functional key stakeholders to sit down and discuss about how can we be more nimble, more agile, faster to get to the things that we want to launch out there to enable a nice consumer delightful experience.